I'll show you the truth. I'll show you your purpose. Just a pencil and a dream created for entertainment. He lives on through us, born from darkness, born from lust. 'Cause when we reach the end, we do it all over again. Follow me, we are children of the machine, barely human in a city built on broken dreams. Follow me, we are children of the machine, barely living in a city built on broken dreams. It's a joyless job when your heart's running empty at the seams. But after eons filling up the bottle, singing on a desperate pencil and a dream. When the void was filled when you left, in the emptying thing we could sink the debate of the clock while turning levels to feel the chemistry from burning. To create this finest design, hid a magic darker than mine. And a kiss from the angels casting demons down the bottom line.